this is the Dr. I think it's Wick Waist Comfort Care. So if you have anything with your lower back, this thing is awesome. It's, first of all, it massages, basically vibrates. So I don't know if you want to show it. It also does traction. So when it's vibrating, it's actually raising up, and it goes up a lot higher than what you see there. It'll go higher, but it'll go high on one side, then it'll go high on the other. Sometimes it'll go both. It kind of, it's changes. It also has heat and also has EMS, which if you don't know what that is, it's doing it right now. And that's why my skin is on it. There's these metal, it's like a shock. And it's what they use at the chiropractor, right? You've had it done, right? It's, I forget what it's called, but these, like, they usually put these sticky pads on, and it shocks your muscles, and it helps relieve pain and pressure and tightness in your back. Right now my back is okay, but I do have occasional back issues, and this is really going to help my lower back. You can see it's raising and lowering. It basically does, like I said, it does traction, but so basically what that does is stretches out your spine, but at the same time it heats it up. At the same time it's vibrating, right? So it's trying to loosen all the muscles, and at the same time it's doing that electroshock therapy that's basically trying to loosen everything up as well. So and it adjusts different sides, left and right. So this thing is actually really awesome. The kids lay on it. It's battery operated. It's got a battery built into it. You just basically put a USB-C. So you don't have to plug in, which is really nice. You can do this anywhere. You can bring this, travel with it. It doesn't matter. So really neat. Very impressed, actually, with this. There's a lot of gimmick stuff out there. I thought this could be a gimmick. Works really well. Got a battery, bunch of different remote, bunch of different options, different levels. So I could turn the heat all the way up, I could turn the heat all the way down, I could turn the vibration all the way up, I could turn the vibration down. Tons of settings. You could set everything just with the push of a button. I put the EMS, which is the shock therapy, like high, and I couldn't do it. So I'm actually gonna go back down.
Electrodes, right?
Electrodes, yeah. So I'm gonna go back down. That's that bottom one. The first time I did it, it actually was a little too intense, so I had to turn it down. But pretty neat. Very, very impressed. Ooh, it's doing it now. It's doing it now. Yeah. I hope I don't hurt my back again, but if I do, I'm definitely going to be using this thing. A+.